casino industry is a tricky business, especially with the financial crisis. Seeing as the industry is dependent on people's overall economic wealth, there has been a detrimental drop with the recession, but the casino industry is expecting a comeback. And with over 50 million households in the U.S. who gamble in casinos, the odds are looking good. At Oceans, we, of course, are looking for the most likely gaming company to buy this pristine property. We have narrowed all of the interested buyers down to you two, Boyd Gaming Corporation and Ameristar Casinos, Inc. So convince.
We have properties in Las Vegas, Atlantic City, Louisiana, and Mississippi, and we have recently acquired our 17th property, which we will greatly promote our geographic diversification. But anyway, our revenue easily tramples a small company like Ameristar. Plus, we have experience running multiple companies already.
Well, let me say, bigger isn't always better.
That's what she said.
We have destinations in Chicago, Kansas, Colorado, Missouri, and Mississippi.
Let's move on.
I don't know how Boyd Gaming thinks it's going to survive in the future. Their company is 3 times as big as us, yet their use of social media sites is embarrassing. We have links to all of our social media sites on our website. All of our casino locations have their own Facebook pages and their own Twitters, which you can easily find on our website. Their site, not so much. Last time I checked, the Boyd Gaming Facebook page only had 671 likes.
Boyd only has 316 followers on Twitter, and they've only tweeted 28 times. But at Ameristar, we tweet up a storm.
That's ridiculous. We have a strong web presence. We use Facebook and Twitter, and besides, we just formed a partnership with Skywire Media Incorporated, a mobile marketing company. This will enhance our player loyalty program at Be Connected. Coupon Connect by Skywire will deliver mobile coupons that are designed to increase customer loyalty and activity. This way, we can also alert customers to new offers or send them other news.
The Be Connected program can't compare to our Star Rewards program. Members get to earn cash rewards or complimentary goods and services based on the volume of their gaming activities. The more players earn, they move up from red level to premier level to an elite level. And as the rewards get better and better through each level, reward credits are forfeited if the customer doesn't earn any credits over a 12-month period, which encourages customers to come back again.
Be Connected works similarly. We rewarded our customers through our program with points based on the amounts wagered are won. The incentives given are part of our promotional allowances each year. Our total promotional allowances for 2010 were $211 and $256, and this number includes accommodations, foods, beverages, and other services given to guests on a complimentary basis. $200,000 is a small price to pay to give our customers extra value.
Our promotional allowances in 2010 were over $300,000. Spent $26 million on advertising in 2010 and $27 million in 2009. What did Boyd spend? $13 million in 2010 and $12 million in 2009.
We don't need to spend as much. Our host system, offers, and personal touch make for loyal customers. Our many locations serve as our publicity. And anyway, Ameristar, do you have proof that that $26 million you spent last year paid off?
What I haven't mentioned yet, our secret weapon, which trumps any elaborate advertising strategy, the Boyd Buzz.
It keeps our staff informed. This makes them feel qualified and important. And that makes our staff happier employees, more willing to attend to their customers. Good customer service equals loyalty. We are quite proud of our innovation. It is our company's main line of information, and I believe it has been one of the keys to Boyd's success.
I think this is a perfect time where we can just take a break.
I think we got it. I think we got it.
Got it in the bag.
100%. 100%. Yeah! Buddy.
Well, I hope everyone had a nice break and that all the jitters are out.
Well, our total revenue was higher than Ameristar's. It was over $2 million this year.
We are a smaller company, yet our total revenues were over $1 million this year.
Our geographic diversification gives us financial stability. It gives us multiple sources of cash flows and mitigates the impact of negative conditions in any gaming market.
And we have that too. Unlike Boyd, we don't have a market in the Las Vegas region. This region accounts for the smallest percentage of Boyd's EBITDA. If they were not in this location, they would be making more profits. Our stock is priced at $16.50. Boyd's is only at $5.54.
That doesn't mean anything. If you take a closer look, Our dividends are actually much higher. Our divided yield is 8.96%, while Ameristar's is 2.39%, meaning our stockholders are actually getting more money back and will want to continue investing in our company.
We have decreased our operating expenses since 2009.
We have increased our operating expenses, but we have also increased our gross revenue since 2009. Our financial condition is a lot more stable than Ameristar's. We were able to grow because our company reduced the sales percentage from selling, general, and administration costs by 1.65%. This overall decrease allowed our net income to increase drastically. Is it not true that you've ranked second lowest in terms of sales growth in the casinos and gaming industry with sales growth of 1.6%?
But we have been able to grow because of the capital investments. Capital expansion projects at the company's Borgata and the Blue Chip Casino operations are well-timed defensive moves to retain market share against competition.
Well, tell me, what does the future look like for your companies?
To deal with the saturated gaming community in the United States, we have decided to continue our growth to the internet. We have entered an agreement with bwin Party Digital Entertainment PLC, the world's largest publicly traded online gaming company. Separately, Boyd Gaming has also entered into a 15-year agreement to use bwin Party's technology platform and associated services to offer online poker to U.S. players.
This idea of yours will only work out if Congress passes legislation to allow online poker. We are doing something different to deal with the saturated gaming community. We have implemented a strategic plan back in 2008 to improve efficiencies and reduce our cost structure as weak economic conditions continue to adversely impact business volumes. As part of this plan, we reduce our workforce costs through position eliminations, adjusting staffing prices. We also restructured the organization of our property and corporate management teams to be more efficient and streamlined. Doing this allows us to increase our income despite the saturated gaming community.
While this property will bring us to number 18, we'll still be growing, still reaching, and yet still retaining our family-owned culture. Our purchase of IP Casino and Resort Spa in Biloxi is our newest addition, and a good example of how we go about expansion. IP stood out to us because it is a perfect fit. Its staff already functions like a team. Also, Biloxi is one of the nation's leading gaming markets. In fact, it is the 8th largest gaming market according to the American Gaming Association. The addition of El Cajon in the future of the Las Vegas Strip is another logical addition to our portfolio of properties.
With the industry always growing more competitive and our own ambition to continue to up our ranks, we are not only looking at how we can acquire more properties, but we are also continually looking into innovations that could make our properties run more successfully, especially with how little wiggle room there is in the casino industry. There seems to be a lack of space to spread out. We must grow up instead.
And what innovations do you speak of?
There are dozens. Our Las Vegas linen and uniform laundry facility, for example, which saves 1 to 2 cents per pound of laundry, may not sound like a lot, but trust me, this is a ton. And the reason for Boyd's tax breaks as well. And online gaming. We are one of the most proactive companies embarking on the future development of online gaming in the United States. As soon as it gets legalized, and it will be legalized, you will see Boyd leading in the sector.
Our extended revolving loan commitments mature in August 2012, and our team loan matures in November 2012, so we have plans to refinance all or a portion of our debt before maturity. We have also purchased a casino resort development site in Springfield, Massachusetts. We are extremely enthusiastic about this new development. It is going to prove to be another huge source of revenue and will attract customers all throughout the New England area.
In June 2010, we decided that we will renovate our East Chicago hotel, known for its luxurious guest rooms and high-quality amenities. Announced plans for $4.2 million hotel renovation project.
Well, I've come to my decision. I'm looking at these balance sheets, and the numbers are pretty close. But Boyd seems to be doing better, and does have more experience in managing several properties. Boyd, the property is yours.
Yes!